Can anything survive without a heart, lungs, stomach, or kidneys? A human cannot. But a microscopic cell performs all the basic functions of life. It takes in oxygen, produces energy, and removes waste. So, how does one tiny cell manage everything? Let us enter the cell and discover the answer. The fundamental unit of life. Our story begins in the year 1665 with an ordinary piece of cork. Cork is obtained from the bark of a tree. An English scientist named Robert Hooke cut a very thin slice of cork and examined it using a microscope that he had designed himself. What do you think he observed? A smooth surface, long fibers, or hundreds of tiny compartments? Hooke observed many small compartments arranged next to one another. They reminded him of the structure of a honeycomb. Look carefully at these small compartments. Hooke called them cells. The word cell comes from a Latin word meaning a small room or compartment. But here is an important examination point. Did Robert Hooke observe living cells? No, the cork cells were dead. Hooke mainly observed their empty compartments surrounded by rigid cell walls. Your body began as just one cell. So how did that one cell produce so many different types of cells? Pause and think. Let us find out in part 2.